Hey guys, today we're going to take a look on this smart button camera. Open the box, you will get the smart button camera, the user menu, and spare buttons. So we just take a closer look on this smart button camera. The lens is inside of the hole. It is very small. On the other side, it's a USB-C port. So before using, make sure you get a USB-C and your phone. Okay, next I'm going to show you how it works. Before using, you need to download the app. The name is RTSP Camera. You can find in Google Play. Okay, you can just plug in your phone and it will remind you to open the app. Okay, right now I can see the pictures from the camera. In the app, you can take a video. Stop the video. Take a picture. The video files and pictures will be saved in your phone internal memory, so you can easily share to your friends.